What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian with Mendez Detailing. Make sure you guys like this video here because this is going to be a banger for you guys. Comment any questions, any concerns down below. I'll make sure to comment back, get back to you guys as quick as I can. And also make sure you subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss any of these lit videos I'm dropping, you guys. So let's get right into it. We have a BMW i8. I'm going to take you guys throughout the entire process. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video. Let's get started. Alright, you guys, so this is my first time detailing a BMW i8, and honestly this car is tiny as hell inside, you guys. Like, this thing was super small. We didn't even get inside the car to vacuum because there was just not enough space. So right here, what you guys are seeing us vacuum is some baking soda. Turns out the client actually ended up dropping something, and they thought that baking soda would at least be a solution or of some sort. And you know, it kind of was, but it kind of wasn't, because it kind of just made and created more work for us when we had to clean up and stuff like that. But yeah, so I think he spilled like some coffee or something like that on there. He put some baking soda, I guess, to help it, which, you know, it is important that your customers or your clients take action when they do, and it's important that you let them know that, you know, that's better than, you know, no action, right? Let's say they stick some gum or something like that on their carpet or seats. They don't take action on it. When we get there, it's going to be a lot harder for us to get it off, or maybe even be impossible sometimes to get it off. So just a little side note. So we're going to go ahead and detail. I'm over here detailing the steering wheel. You guys already know, APC, toner door, brushes, towels, pretty basic stuff. This was pretty much a shampoo on the carpets, and then we treated the leather seats and stuff like that. It had white interior, kind of like a cream color, so we made sure we protected that and cleaned that up nice and good.